Hi, this is Suchi and today I'll be discussing about copy and view method in NumPy. So without further delay, let's get into the topic. First of all, this copy and view method of NumPy array, they are not same. What is the main difference between these two methods? One is copy returns a new independent array, which means this will own its elements. And view does not return a new array. It is just a view of the original array. Copy. If we make any changes in the copied version of the array, of the NumPy array, what will happen? That change will not be reflected in the original array. That means original array will be independent from its copy. Whereas if we make any changes to the view, it will change in the original array itself because view does not own its elements. It is just a view. And if we are changing anything to the view, it will change the original array. Same thing goes in the opposite way also. If something is changed in the original array, it won't be affecting the copied one. But in case of view, if something is changed in the original array, the same change will be reflected in the view also. So it is like copy is the actual copy or deep copy of the array, but view is kind of a shallow copy or giving a different name to the same array. So if we change anything in the view, it will change the original one. If we change anything in the original one, it will change the view. Whereas in copy, if we change anything in the copy, it won't change the original one. And if we change anything in the original, it won't change the copy. So without discussing this theoretically, let's get into the code so that we will understand it better. So in case of copy, let's look into the copy part. Let us have one array. This is the ARR orig, that means the original array. And I'm assigning 4 values: mango, banana, apple, watermelon. And then I'm creating one copy of that original array, which is ARR copy. Just a copy. Now, let me comment out all these things and let me run this. Let me execute this part on. So here you can see, this is the array we are creating, original array, which is having 4 elements. And this is the copy we are creating, ARR copy. So first thing, this is the original array, which is this one, mango, banana, apple, watermelon, and copy. This is the copied array. Both are same at this phase before we have changed anything in any one of them. So they are same now. Their values are same now. Now let's change something. What we will change? Let's change the pineapple in the copied one. In the copy array or ARR copy, we will change the apple into pineapple. So this will change into pineapple, but we won't touch the original array. So let's see what happens here. So here you can see ARR copy and the index number 2. So 0, 1, 2. The index number 2 where apple is residing, we are assigning pineapple in the ARR copy. So the copied array is being changed. Let us execute this. So here you can see the copied array is changed and we are seeing a pineapple in the position of apple. So we have replaced apple with pineapple in the copy. But if you see the original one, it has not been changed at all. Whatever it was having at the initial stage, it is still having that same array. It is not, here we cannot see the change which we made in copy, that is not visible in original. So original remains untouched. Now let's change something in the original one and let's see what happens to the copy. So here we have decided to change the banana into cherry in the original array. So in the original array, this one, what we will do in the original array, we will change this banana into cherry and we will check if the copied array is changed or not. So let's do that. Here you can see array arr orig, that is the original array of 1. That means the index number 1, which is 0, 1, nothing but banana. We are assigning cherry over here. So what should be happening after this? This should be mango, cherry, apple, watermelon. So let's execute this part. And here you can see after changing banana to cherry, after replacing banana with cherry in the original one, we can see the original one has become mango, cherry, apple, watermelon. But the copied one is still having mango, banana, pineapple, watermelon. So the change in original one is not being reflected in the copied one. So they are totally independent of each other. If we change anything in the copied one, it is not being reflected in the original one. If we change anything in the original one, it is not being reflected in the copied one. So that is it. The copied one is independent to the original one. Now let's look into the view part, how it behaves in case of a view. So let's see the same example we will take here. We have the same array, mango, banana, apple, watermelon. This is the ARR orig. And ARR view is nothing but the view we have created from this ARR orig. So ARR orig dot view. Now if we print, before changing anything, if we print both of them, ARR orig as well as ARR view, let's see what is there. So as you can see, they are having the same array. Mango, banana, apple, watermelon. Mango, banana, apple, watermelon. So both original and view are having the same values. Now let us change apple with pineapple in the view. So here you can see ARR view and the index 2, which is nothing but 0, 1, 2, that is apple. So we are replacing apple with pineapple. So we are assigning pineapple in the index 2 of ARR view. After doing this change, we are printing both of the arrays, ARR orig and ARR view. So if I just execute this, what will happen here? Let's see. So here you can see we have changed in only in the view, but as you can see, the original is also having pineapple in place of apple, unlike the previous case. So here, if we change in the view, it is changing the view as well as the original. So any change in the view is being reflected back to the original. Now, let's try the same thing with the original one. So in the original one, we are changing banana to cherry. So if I do that, what is happening? Let's execute this as well. So here ARR orig index 1, we are assigning cherry. And let's execute this one. And let's see after changing banana to cherry, what happens. Here you can see the change in original one is being reflected to view. So the original one is changed as well as the view is also changed. So change in original one is also reflected in the view. So that is how it is. So in the view, if we change anything, that will be reflected in the original array. And if we change anything in the original one, it will be reflected in the view. I hope this whole concept is clear. And now we know the difference between copy and the view method in NumPy ND array. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Keep learning, keep implementing.